Good morning, children. So, here we are starting with the new chapter, Accounting Equation. Let us understand the meaning of accounting equation. The meaning of accounting equation states that it is the fundamental accounting equation. It is also called as the balance sheet equation. It represents the relationship between assets and liabilities of a person or a business. It is the foundation for the double entry bookkeeping system. For each transaction, the total debits equal the total credits. So basically, accounting equation is a functional relationship. It shows the relationship between assets and liabilities of a business or an institution or a person. And it provides a basis for double entry bookkeeping system. And according to accounting equation only, all your debits are equal to all its credit. It can be expressed as furthermore, asset is equal to liabilities, and if we expand it more, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital, because we have already discussed while discussing the terminology chapter that capital is a part of liability, but it is shown separately. And if we expand it further, the final equation becomes asset is equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus expenses. That means we deduct the expenses and we add the revenue to the capital. So the accounting equations are asset is equal to liabilities, and if we expand it further, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital, and if we expand it furthermore, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus expenses. Let us discuss the usefulness or utilities or importance or advantages. So these are basically ways in which the question can be asked. So advantages or utilities or usefulness or importance of accounting equations are: it helps to ensure that debits and credits are recorded accurately. It is because of accounting equation only we can judge whether our recordings have been done correctly or not, because if the debit is not equal to credit, that means we have done some mistake. And secondly, it helps to measure how profitable your business is, because it shows the relationship between assets and liabilities. And thirdly, the accounting equation is the foundation of a company's balance sheet, which expresses your business assets, liabilities, and the owners or shareholders equity in detail. So basically, it is because of accounting equation that it is easier to prepare the balance sheet of a business organization, because it shows the relationship between various assets, liabilities, owners or shareholders equity, that is the capital, in detail. So this was the topics which we have to study about accounting equation. I hope it is clear to you, children. This is a very short topic, very small topic. Now this is the assignment based on such topics which you have to discuss. We have discussed, and you have to do it in your register. You have to answer the following questions in your register. Question number 1, give the meaning of accounting equations. So you can write the answer as: accounting equations expresses the relationship between assets and liabilities of a firm, business, or an individual. It provides a basis for double entry bookkeeping system, and it is as per this accounting equation, as per this basis, that all the debits are equal to all its credit. Question number 2, state the various accounting equations. The answer to this question is: asset is equal to liabilities, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital, and asset is equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus expenses. And the last question, state any 2 utilities of accounting equation. So we have discussed 3. You can write any 2. For example, accounting equation provides the basis for preparing balance sheet of a business organization, because it records or it shows the presentation of assets, liabilities, owners or shareholders equity in detail. Then its utility is it shows the relationship between asset and liabilities, and therefore it shows the financial position of a business organization. It also helps to ensure that all the debits are equal to its credits. Basically, it provides a cross check. So I hope the topic is clear to you, children. Go through the video once again, complete all the written work, and do the learning part as well. Thank you, children. Take care.